Hello everyone, if you want to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands and your game is stuck on this loading screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, you're going to right click on Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands, click on install files, click verify integrity your game files here. After you do that, now you're going to go to your Easy Anti-Cheats games folder, so the default location of it should be in your C drive and into program files, Easy Anti-Cheat. You're going to right click on the Easy Anti-Cheat, click run as admin, click yes on here, and then you're going to click on to repair service there. Once you click repair service, now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and if that fixes your issue, then good. If it doesn't, then I have another fix for you. Now you're going to go to this location. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. Now you're going to download this wildland.zip. Don't worry, this is not a cheat, it's just the Easy Anti-Cheat bypass. You won't get banned. Once you download this zip, now you're going to open up that file that we just downloaded, and then you're going to go to Easy Anti-Cheat games folder again, and here what you're going to do is you're going to rename this Easy Anti-Cheat x64. You're going to put a .bak in the end and extract this Easy Anti-Cheat file here, and then you're going to go to your game's directory, and here what you're going to do is you're going to rename this rungame.exe, add .bak in the end, paste this rungame.exe here, and then try to run the game through this. Once you do that, now you should be able to play Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Wildlands, and you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.